Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your lot size on MetaTrader 5 application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your lot size on MetaTrader 5, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 5 application. Log into your account and it will take you to the home page of MetaTrader 5 application. Click on plug icon at the bottom of the page. Click on File icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, you can see the area just under Instant Execution. Here you can change your lot size by entering your size according to your preferences. This is how you can change your lot size on MetaTrader 5 application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.